Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys what's inside my slime box thing. So first off, I have obviously a lot of slimes, but I also have like slime supplies like shaving cream and borax and foam beads and scent and stuff like that. So the first one I'm going to be showing you guys is this poison butter one that I showed actually on my Instagram. It is a very smooth and sizzly butter slime. So this has a very nice texture, has bubble pops, and is sizzly. It's like a grayish purplish color. So let's move on to the next one. So this is the next slime I'll be showing you guys. This is scented like mint and has some foam beads in it and some glitter. It's just a regular base slime though. It's kind of actually jiggly. It's very stretchy. So now let's move on to my next slime. Okay, so this time I have two slimes here since they're little. So the first one I have is like this orange foam bead slime. It does not have a name yet, but but the scent is orange, so it probably has to have orange in the name. But I won't be selling this because the foam beads fall out. Since there's like an experiment. So that's that one. And then this one, oh, this one beads everywhere. This one, this one's name is Captain Crunch. And it has colorful like foam beads in it. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on the post notification bell. See you next time. Bye!